Hello. Hi. Hello, I'm Jared Ching, running to be your next VGA batch representative. So I want to start by reminding us why we are in college. Of course, the first reason would be the academics that we learn. But aside from that, I think more importantly, it's the people that we meet in college. In doing so, we are able to identify ourselves amidst everyone who is also trying to identify themselves or have already identified themselves. Everyone, and of course we know everyone faces challenges in college. We make mistakes, we learn. We all know, we all know that, and we all know that everyone makes mistakes. Then I think college is the best place to make mistakes. Because in here, I think everyone is critical and and open to what others have to say. So through the time I've spent here, especially with my through my with the experience in working for the council, I have learned that being in college is not just about the diploma. It's also exciting to see the different people that the college offers. It's learning from them and being together with them. And this has allowed me to change from being a student who was looking for different ways to come from my resume to someone who is critical and willing to lead for the batch. So I really want to lead by example. If my views can change this drastically, I think people can and will change for the better if they are critical of themselves. It took me a lot of convincing to run, but I know it's going to entail sacrifice, but I think it will be worthwhile. By giving me a chance, I want us to cultivate a culture of support and encouragement from each other. Thank you.